On this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use a voice command on your NEO, DJI NEO drone. So let's get it started.
So all you need to do pretty much is go to your DJI Fly app. Once you're on your DJI Fly app, go to connect. So it will be connecting. So once it's connecting, say join, click on join. So it takes a bit of time, but once it joins, it's pretty steady and secure connection. Oh, you go. So now once you are here, what you need to do is first go, before you do anything, go to setting. So with this demonstration, we're gonna demonstrate droney, and we're gonna do 2-meter droney flat. Make sure it's on 2 meter depending on the environment you are in, so don't let it fly away from you or hit any obstacle, because NEO doesn't have obstacle awareness. So it hits, it doesn't stop. So then you just go to here, instead to mode, go to droney mode, and as you can see here, you click on this voice here and it gives you the voice command. Droney. And then as you can see, it will perform droney for us. 2 meters droney, so you're just gonna go away from us. You start recording, and once it gets to 2 meters, it will come back straight to me, and it's gonna land on my hand like so. Just put your hand out, and it should, once it recognizes there's a landing pad, it will come into a complete land. Ooh, I nearly missed that one. So this is how you use it.
And if you want to know other commands that are out there, just go to your commands and click on check settings. And these are all the commands that are available. Follow, cycle, spotlight, 4-meter droning, 6-meter rocket, droney, rocket, close, follow, 2-meter cycle. So these are pretty much the commands that you can you have available to you by using a voice command. Now make sure you also watch this video over here, and in the middle where my face is, click on it, click on the subscribe button, and click on notification bell so you don't miss my very next video.